In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCR and scan feature Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever opened a scan and realized you can't copy, search, or highlight text, that's because it's just an image. We'll turn that image into real, selectable text using the built-in scan and OCR tools. Clean up the page for readability. And save your results so the changes stick. Start by opening your scanned PDF or an image file directly in Acrobat Pro DC. Any common image format works, but PDFs are the most straightforward. Once the file is open, go to the top and click Tools. In the Tools view, choose Scan and OCR. This switches you into the workspace designed specifically for recognizing text and enhancing scans. In the toolbar, click Recognize Text, then choose in this file. Before you run it, set the document language so Acrobat knows what characters to expect. Accurate language selection greatly improves results. Click the Recognize Text button to start. Acrobat will analyze each page and build a hidden searchable text layer on top of the scan. Minor mistakes can happen if the original is faint, skewed, or noisy. To clean up those small errors, you can use the optional Correct Recognized Text feature. This opens a guided correction panel that jumps to places Acrobat isn't fully confident about. Review the suggestions and make quick fixes to improve search and copy accuracy without changing your layout. Next, enhance the scanned images for clarity. Click Enhance from the drop-down. Choose the source that best matches your file, such as camera image for a phone photo or scanned document for a flatbed scan. Then adjust the content drop-down to auto-detect, document, or whiteboard, depending on what's on the page. These controls help smooth backgrounds, increase contrast, and sharpen edges, so text looks crisper and easier to read. When your choices are set, click Enhance to apply the cleanup. Finally, save your document to apply and keep the searchable text layer and any enhancements. Saving ensures that the next time you open the file, you can search, select, and copy text without running OCR again. If you want to preserve the original scan, save a new copy now. That's it. Thanks for watching.